Model DX68 pipe locking machine. Model DX68 pipe locking machine mainly used for buckling processing for high-pressure rubber pipe assembly in the mechanical engineering. It can also be used for buckling the two-way bands, especially large bands and irregular shape bands. This machine features small and portable appearance, big force, low noise, and easy to operate. The buckling amount can be precise, adjusted through a scale. It makes the mold base division to be more even through the double inclined plain 8-flap mold seat equipped with a high accuracy guiding device. Oil cylinder, electric box, motor, oil tank, mold, mold seat, stuff gauge seat, electromagnetic reversal valve, control panel, power switch, closed mode indicator light, open mode indicator light, open mode button, closed mode button, pressure gauge, pipe locking technical parameter table, pedal switch, stuff gauge, waste oil pipe, oil filling hole. Before operating the machine, must add sufficiently 79 liters of number 46 anti-abrasion hydraulic oil, buckling pressure regulating valve, open mode pressure regulating valve. Fix the stuff gauge into the stuff gauge seat. Take out the mold. Choose the mold fitting for the rubber hose to be locked. Loosen the 8 inner hexagonal screws with inner hexagonal spanner. Fix the mold into the mold seat and tighten the screw. Fix the rubber hose compact. Regulated well the stuff gauge as per the technical parameter reference table of the locking pipe. The stuff gauge is mainly used as a bound switch. Turn on the power. Check whether the mold open and close regularly. Put the rubber hose with the sleeve into the middle of mold inner hole. Press close mode button. Start buckling. Buckle to the set dimension and stop buckling. Press open mold button or step on the pedal switch to open the mold. Take out the finished rubber hose compact. If need to buckle different diameter rubber hoses, you can take out the mold and change to corresponding mold.